Hey guys, in today's video we're going to look at how to consume class 9 shortages. So when you do your PM01s as a supply clerk and the items come in, you go to the class 9 clerks to take your stuff from them. Make sure you have your MROs with you. You come back to your cage, then you try to consume them. So consuming them goes hand in hand with issuing them out to whoever or the sub-hand receipt holder to whom that particular item you created a work order is for. So always make sure you label your work orders well to identify whom that item is going to, right? So that when you are consuming, you're also issuing it out at the same time to that particular sub-hand receipt holder. So today that's what we're going to do. We're going to learn how to consume class 9 shortages. Remind just remind just as a sign of just as a reminder, sorry guys, as a reminder, you are the one who created those PM01, so it is your responsibility to consume them, right, and at the same time close those work orders. Remember, you are the one who opened or created the PM01 work orders for the supply shortages. Remember, you are the same person that is responsible to consume them and at the same time close those work orders. So we're going to do a video. That's why I'm doing this video to show you how to consume those PM01s. Let's get into the video. So we're going to use our IWBK. The 92 hours we use a different route. We're going to use IWBK to do ours. So you can use IWBK, hit enter. So when you get here, the order type is going to be PM01. Remember, you need to check this and that, right? You need to check those two boxes in processing and then remember to put in your main work center. So now this is our IWBK for class 9. As you can see, this is a class 9 Excel for my company. And as you can see, shortages final HQ. So I know it belongs to HQ. This I know it belongs to arms room. Shortages arms room. Right here. 9th edition shortages. I know it belongs to arms room. Let's open that work order and see if everything is there. We've already consumed everything in there. We've already issued it out to arms room already. Now let's go back. Let's find out. Yep, quantity withdrawn 1, quantity available 0. That means we don't have anything that to consume right here. We already consume it. And how many do we put on order 1? So this work order should be closed, and we will close it. Now there's a form of ritual that I do personally when I'm doing my PB01s. I'll come to that and we'll talk about it. Here we're going to highlight that column, do descending order to know the items that we have on our mass set, our class 9 mass set. So we have 2 items on our class 9 mass set that are PM01s. So we're going to, as you can see, we have only 1 item on there, right? So we're going to consume that 1 item. So this is the process. We saw only 1 item on there, so we put 1. We are expecting 4, but only 1 came in. Then you check the item okay right there. The next thing that you need to go to is the batch. So you put in the batch. Batch A, check. document is okay. So you can now save your um, you can now save it. The moment you save it, you've consumed it. Now let's see whether we've truly consumed it or not. Now as you can see, this is for first platoon. You see how I labeled it? It's easy for me to filter it out. So you go back in, let's go back in and see if what we did worked. Now let's do a descending order again. Boom. So as you can see, we have quantity available 1, but as we started, there was no quantity availability, quantity withdrawn 1. It was 0. We can go back to check real quick. Let's go back to check real quick. Right here, quantity availability is 1, quantity withdrawn is 0. Now let's move forward to check what we did. Quantity availability 1, quantity withdrawn 1. It means what we did worked, right? So that is how you consume. So basically that is how you consume your class 9. It's going to be the same as consuming your PB01 or PB01 work orders or class 2 work orders. It's going to be the same. Just wanted to show you guys that it can be done. This brings us to the end of our video for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share for other 92 Yankees to have this knowledge. This is going to help 92 Yankee guys to have total control over their class 9 class 2s. But I'll do a video to show you how you can put both of them together and do your analysis. You can export it to Excel to do your analysis, or you can do the analysis on IWBK because IWBK works just like Excel. It can perform the basic computations and can do the basic analysis that we need. It's not highly advanced like Excel, but you can do the basic computations. Thank you guys for watching.